consider 4 weeks, my lord. Within 4 weeks, my lord.
Let me see.
My lord.
Disposed.
Lord, I appeared for the petition.
Yes.
This is the absolutely
But this is
first that
the
is
appeal was filed yesterday. It
Yes.
was taken up, my lord. Then the
Yes.
court said that the matter will be taken up.
no. What
Mr.
happened?
Dhar was also
No,
present.
yes,
Here.
I know.
My
Because
lord, I tried to.
I
I
appeared.
mentioned the matter.
May I say
I
this?
mentioned the matter during
No, but
before
this is not a
recess.
different from the item
Mr.
one.
Dhar, please.
Yes.
Mr. Dhar, sometime
Yes,
kindly
yes,
allow
yes,
me
sorry,
to talk.
sorry. You say.
Mr.
Sorry.
Dhar, sometime kindly allow me to speak.
Correct. Sorry, you say.
Every time if you speak, then when I will speak. Now, my lord, kindly see that the matter was, I mentioned the matter in the morning, then the matter was waiting, then the after recess also, I tried to mention, then before rising, I also mentioned that the matter was taken up. Matter was taken up, then the matter, it's then said the matter would be heard on Tuesday.
Madam, may I respond?
Matter will appear in the list on Tuesday.
The word taken up actually is it was taken up around
Whatever.
10.
As on
No
date,
one opened even the brief.
say nothing of
Nothing.
this sort.
That's what I'm saying.
So,
Okay,
if the other matter
All of them will
has
be able
been
to
passed,
support the appeal because ultimately appeal fate will be covering everyone.
obviously.
That's the reason. Kindly pass the identical order as Lordship passed there.
And
Whatever
there
will happen, it will happen to everyone.
No, there are many candidates I
No,
see over here.
12. There are court fees paid. There are 12
It's not a matter of only court fees. Everybody has different cause of action.
No, my lord, here
They are all SC.
I have checked up that each one of them made the
lord,
applications within time declaring them
All
SC.
SC.
No, SC and physically handicapped.
Then how it is mixed up? Now, my lord, kindly come to page 38. Then I have to open my case. Page 38,
Yes, please.
said category general.
Hmm?
Then kindly come to page 40. Category general. Then kindly come
How
to
could you allow these applications when there are discrepancies? The candidate discloses himself or herself as a general category member, and then application fees is paid 200 rupees, and you all allow it.
No, my lord, this is factually not correct.
One minute, let him respond. Yes, please.
This is after they did it. This is the originally sorry.
You are muted.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, you have to unmute.
It is not to reject anyone or not anyone. Everyone will chance.
No, submission of the petitioner is that these page 38 and 40 that you are showing is after you corrected it. It is
no,
that.
That's completely incorrect. That's completely incorrect. That's completely incorrect. I will file an affidavit to that extent.
All right.
May I just respond one sentence response. This could be a bigger scam on the part of the SSC. What they have done.
You are talking like a Lord Denning.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, may I just, because I am the petitioners, kindly allow one sentence to respond to factually. My lord, page number 32, kindly see 32.
Don't behave like a Lord Denning.
32.
Kindly see, Lord.
Kindly see 32.
Every time, Lord, kindly see.
This is something I don't know. They have no right to. When I made the original application, then it was an SC. Only then I can get the drop down for 200 or 500. If I put general, I cannot come 200. Now what they have done, that's what I'm saying. It could be a source scam. Today, if Lordship downloads, then what happens is showing my application to be general. So that is so wrong. I made an application as an SC.
Where is your original application?
Page 32.
What is
the candidate? Nivedita Mistry?
No, the other.
Show Nivedita's original application where she disclosed herself as a
Yes, all. Otherwise, my lord, I have there is a step by step. No. Nivedita?
No, Purovi.
My lord, kindly give us a chance in this matter to file affidavit, my lord.
One thing I categorically say, if there is one single candidate who did not declare on the initial application as SC, I will not justify his or her case at all. They can go through the credentials. What they have done is this. They have made an FAQ of every steps how online application has to be made. If I say that I am a general, I can directly go to 500. If I say I am SC, ST or PH,
They
only
cannot.
only
This
then
is
I
what
can.
I was
So
wondering.
this now the thing is, fortunately, if an applicant downloads the screenshot on that day, then he gets what exactly he or she did. Now today, assume now most of the times they have suffered, so they do it most of the times. In case an innocent candidate, he doesn't keep the screenshot. Today, now SSC can take a stand. We are treating you as a general. That's a different thing. But SSC cannot change my original application. The original application, if it is come through the conduit of 200, today they cannot, by software change, they cannot say that,
You are a general
yes, this
category
is something, that's what I'm saying. I'm not going into a deeper aspect, but that shows something so, I have used the word scam, but I really, because I am a beneficiary, I do not really want to stall it, but that is something very dangerous. My original applications cannot be tinkered with by you, by your own software. Then there is no sanctity of anything. No
Definitely.
sanctity
And
of
tell
anything.
me one thing.
Yes.
In all the matters,
Yes.
the application fees
Yes.
in respect of this reserved category, it is SC/ST/PH. You couldn't choose one.
Exactly. Yes. Once, a second. Once I categorize on the first day
Yes.
myself as an SC or ST or PH, then only I will be able to get the access to 200.
Yeah, that I understand.
Yes.
But then selecting only one, either
Yes.
SC
Yes.
or ST
Yes.
or PH.
Yes.
Could you not have done this? All three come in one bunch.
Oh, that is
Because this is the submission of the commission that you did not disclose whether you are SC
no,
or
I
you
have
are ST.
someone who, here someone who is seeking the benefit of the SC, he is seeking the benefit of the SC, so he has a certificate to support that.
That is understandable.
No, this is, I have no control over it.
You have no call. This is because in each and every
It
matter,
is like
it comes in one.
yes, it is
So
like one line. They are software maker.
Yes.
Whoever created the software, they did it in such a way. But today I am only this. Today there is an appeal. Everyone is selling in the same
Yes,
boat.
I
They are seeking that we can get a support if all of us united and fight it out. It may happen that Mr. Bandobad's stand might be found to be right before that is possible. But today, whatever will happen, that will happen to everyone. So Lordship has taken a stand. So I'm only praying the identical relief. And they will check the credentials also under the 11. That they are doing.
Miller, factually, this case is different. Kindly just.
And this part, as I use the word scam, this is something so risky. This tinkering part, nobody can do.
Scam is now in the legal profession. Don't say scam.
Mr. Bandobad, both of us belong
No.
profession.
All you are doing, in one case, one side, then the other case, other side. Scam is there.
Why
I'm a
not?
lawyer.
Whoever approaches the
No.
the advocate.
Contradictory argument in one matter. Contradictory argument in one matter.
My
This
case
cannot
is
be
not
done.
my religion, Mr. Bandobadhyay.
No,
That's all right.
conduct a yes, scam.
Yes.
But this is very easy to say scam. Now, this case is factually different.
What is the
He is
difference?
making an allegation. Kindly, Miller. Just listen, Miller. First of all, his allegation is that the original application, it was been made, that has been changed by us. Right? Where is the amendment in the writ petition? He has said so. All will not come from the mouth of a senior lawyer. Where is that?
You
Is it
want
any
that amendment to come? You do you want
Where
it?
is the amendment?
Do you
Huh?
want it to come?
No. I want it now. I am on the basis of the amendment, which is I do not want it. Kindly excuse me. I do not want anything. I am on the rule of pleadings.
Yes, you want further pleadings to come by way of an affidavit. If this comes, Mr.
Whatever
the petitioner
Lordship
says that
chooses.
it will reveal a further irregularity or the illegality on the
No,
part
no,
of the
if it is
commission.
not, if it is a further illegality, if it is a scam according to Mr. Dot, let everybody be taken away. I don't have any objection. But there is
Why
no
will commission have
nothing.
objection? Commission doesn't lose anything. It is these candidates.
No,
They have lost their job and
no,
everything.
hear me. If you do not want to hear me, then don't hear me. Then whoever petitioner will come, you pass the order.
Well, I have the document with me.
You hear
On
me?
the screenshot, it is
No,
SC,
I am arguing
Come
Mr.
up with
Donna.
an
No, no.
averment. Let us see.
Well, I really
How-
do not
Yes,
want it.
yes.
It will not
You
be
said you
palatable
are
to
the
Mr. Bandyopadhyay also.
Yes,
Obviously, you are the
let-
beneficiary of this.
It would
But
not be.
then, if
Let him make the
the
averment.
commission,
Now your
because this
lordship
is not the single case.
Yes, it
Similar
is.
matters are
True,
coming every day.
True, true,
Right?
true.
So, if this has to be checked up, it has to be checked up. It
But
cannot be done.
Till that time, I'm only seeking the similar relief because
Right.
credentials are going on.
All right.
Lordship may keep it pending. I have no difficulty. Lordship may enter into this matter also.
All right.
Because when I appear, my lord, as a counsel, so I have to say what is the thing in front of me. I cannot think of the other matter I took for some other persons. That is nothing to do with this
All
case.
right. All right. Please come.
You see, the three documents I have shown to your lordships that there is general category.
Yes.
Correct?
I will
In
record it.
other cases, your lordships will not find any general category.
I will record this. I will record your submission also. The petitioners.
And also, my lord, my submission also in terms of the notice, they have not submitted the page 71. Kindly come to page 71. Kindly
So
record
that
that.
has been taken care of in that Pramanik's matter.
Yes.
Maybe, but
Page
Pramanik
159
matter,
the order.
this statement was not made. I am making this
Yes,
statement.
statement was
also
made.
here.
Your statement is recorded.
Kindly,
Your
kindly
statement
record
is
this
recorded.
statement. Kindly record this statement also if your lordship so kind to us.
Page 159 the order. It is elaborately recorded. It was
Submission to the
contested.
commission is very clearly recorded that the three addendum notices petitioner did not file.
Yes.
Yes.
That's correct.
12 petitioners have filed the instant writ petition claiming benefit under the reserved category of SC/PH. Stop. It is the stand of the petitioners that at the time of making the initial application, they disclosed their status and paid the application fee meant for reserved category candidate. Stop. The commission has treated the petitioners under the general category allegedly because the petitioners failed to update/edit their category status in response to the addendum notices issued by the commission from time to time. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to treat the petitioners under the reserved category in terms of their application. Stop. In support of the submission, the petitioners rely on the judgment delivered by this bench on
27.
এই সোমনাথ প্রামাণিকটা in such and such, on such and such, WPA number such and such. ঠিক আছে? The prayer of the petitioners is opposed by the commission. Stop. The application filed by some of the petitioners where the category has been disclosed as general has been pointed out. Stop. It has been submitted that that as the candidate disclosed the category as general, the benefit of reservation cannot be granted. Stop.
And I'm denying this.
All right. In response to the aforesaid submission, specific submission made by the petitioners is that at the time of initial filing up of the application, filing of the application, there was no scope for an applicant to disclose the category as general and pay the application fee meant for the reserved category. Stop. It is the it has been submitted that the application fee, now the application has been processed in such a manner that only if the category is shown as reserved, comma, then only the application fee of rupees 200 can be deposited. Stop. A candidate who discloses himself / herself to be of the to belong to the general category can never get the option to pay the application fee meant for the reserved category. Stop. It has been submitted that the application which is annexed to the writ petition showing that the category of the candidate is general has not been filled up by the candidate herself / himself. Stop. It has been stated that the said category has been suo motu inserted by the commission only after the petitioner failed to respond to the addendum notices of the commission. Paragraph. The aforesaid statement of the petitioners are not averred in the writ petition. Stop. The commission is not in a position to respond to the same. Stop. Paragraph. In view of the above, liberty is granted to the petitioners to file supplementary affidavit disclosing the actual state of affairs. Stop. In the meantime, as the process of credential verification is ongoing, comma, the commission is directed to allow the
My lord, 11, 12 have been already completed.
11, 12.
Very
This is
completed interview has started.
Well, despite Lordship's earlier order, every
interview
time
has
the clients,
started.
they are going there, they are saying we will not do anything. They are not.
No, we have
There
said
is
now
no
we have
stay.
filed an
There is a
appeal.
substituting order. Now to take the stand, it is completed, my lord. That is absolutely
No, we
not
have,
sustainable.
you have come today. This matter has come today. This matter has come today.
the petitioners to participate in the process of credential verification. By treating the candidate as a reserved category member, subject to verification of the reservation certificate to be produced by the candidate. Stop. As the court has been made aware that an appeal has been carried from the judgment delivered by the court in the matter of Somnath Pramanik within bracket Supra, and the appeal is likely to be taken up for consideration by the Honorable Division Bench shortly, comma, accordingly, the steps taken by the Commission shall abide by the result of the appeal. Stop.
But kindly, just one sentence, but I have said the verification has already been completed.
Supplementary affidavit may be prepared and circulated by 19th of December.
Yes.
Release the matter for further consideration on 7th of January 2026. একটা লাইন লিখে দিন যেখানে ভেরিফিকেশন প্রসেস বললাম সেখানে the commission contends that the process of credential verification in respect of the recruitment of assistant teachers in classes 11 and 12 is over.
My lord, kindly give us the directions for affidavit also opposition reply.
All right. It will be open for the commission to file affidavit in opposition to the writ petition and the supplementary affidavit.
Would your lordships kindly give some time
And the
limit
supplementary by
for processing this credential?
on the reopening day.
All right. On
No,
the
Minister,
5th,
the supplementary
5th of January 2026.
Would your lordships kindly give some time limit? Within 7 days, they would process.
Submission is that it is over.
Well, then this is a
I
kind
do
of
not
strategy
know.
which is not fair. Because lordship was kind enough
Since
just to
this
wait and see what happens before.
appeal, yes.
That kindness should not be used as a weapon.
No, if I fail, I have to take
Fail
everyone.
means
Your matter is kept pending.
yes,
The court can take steps.
deeply obliged.
Mr. Dhar, neither yourself nor myself is the last word of the law. Therefore, please wait.
16.
Hmm?
My lord, the
It is the case.
Krishna, my lord, the 100% physically handicapped candidate, my lord, the totally blind persons. You will also kindly see, my lord, the page 54. My lord, he applied, my lord, the under physically handicapped candidate, my lord, the with fee of 200 rupees. You will also find, my lord, the page 54. My lord, 57, he appeared in the test, my lord, the using scribe. That has been permission granted by the Regional School Service Commission, and my lord, test was held. You will also page 57 and 58. Totally, he is now the result was published under general category. He appeared in the verification, my lord, the produced, my lord, the physically handicapped, he totally blind persons. You will also see 57, 58. Exactly, my lord, I have heard, my lord, the Jalpaiguri matter, item number 1.
Yes, submission. 100%
Kindly see.
blind.
But I understand. But can I, if I make one deviation, that's the whole difficulty. I
No,
have.
why will you deviate? You do
Now-
not deviate. Your stand is your whatever your client's submission is, that is your
Okay, so
stand.
kindly see
But-
fast. Kindly come to page 78 first.
78.
Yes. This is 24th June 2025.
24th
Having-
June 2025.
Having regard to the orders we may passed in so filed in so and connected it for the timing, category details are not being collected and will be collected in due course prior to the application being processed. Those who may have
There is
already
the same
submitted.
order. Please come. The petitioner claims to be a 100% blind candidate. Stop. He
Kindly see
applied
the application form kindly see.
he applied for recruitment in second SLST, 2025 for classes 11 and 12. Application page 54.
54.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
He has formed the field. He filled up the form on 1st July.
He filled up the form on 1st July.
Yes.
Yes. So what is the difficulty?
24th June, I am not asking for any category details.
Why
That
does
which I
your
have shown.
why does the application fee?
How can I understand? Since we have not cancelled anyone, we wanted to give a chance. That is the reason the addendum is there. That cannot be taken an advantage.
কি বললাম? Yeah, claiming reservation under the physically handicapped category by paying the application fee meant for reserved category candidate. Stuff. The commission treated the candidature of the petitioner in the general category. Stuff. The petitioner-
candidate as physical handicap, page 57. Test was held with the help of scribe. Your also is page 57.
হ্যাঁ 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 ও আচ্ছা তাহলে একটা লিখুন যে কি বললাম ওখানে স্টপ করুন এর আগে একটা সেন্টেন্স অ্যাড আপ হবে দ্য পিটিশনার ওয়াজ পারমিটেড টু অ্যাপিয়ার ইন দ্য রিটেন এক্সামিনেশন আন্ডার দি ফিজিক্যালি হ্যান্ডিক্যাপ ক্যাটেগরি উইথ দি হেল্প অফ এ স্ক্রাইব ঠিক আছে এর আগের সেন্টেন্সে লিখবেন ডেসপাইট দি সেম দি কমিশন ট্রিটেড দি ক্যান্ডিডেচার বলে যেটা আছে ঠিক আছে নেক্সট দ্য পিটিশনার ইজ এগ্রিভড বাই দ্য সেম স্টাফ reliance has been placed on the judgment delivered by this bench on blank Somnath Pramanik's date ta diye neben WPA number and the name of the parties stuff the petitioner submits that same relief be allowed in his favor by treating the petitioner as a physically handicapped candidate. Stop. The aforesaid submission of the petitioner is opposed by the commission. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner failed to respond to the several addendum notices published by the commission from time to time. Stop. এরপর আজকে সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্টে আইটেম নম্বর 1 এতে একটা অর্ডার হয়েছে সেটা দিয়ে দেবেন ঠিক আছে অলরাইট ডিসপোজড
May I hand over the identical order passed by others? That can be.
ফাইলের ভেতরে রেখে দিন ইয়েস হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দরকার নেই।
এই এপিডিওটার সার্ভিসটা আমাদের চলো দিয়ে দাও কি করছো
17
For the petitioner, my lord. This is regarding model answer key and question of subject English 910. 3 questions are disputed, my lord. Regarding first 2 questions, my lord, in both preliminary and model answer key, the option is given as B, but both B and D are correct as per the textbook references. So for the second question is concerned, preliminary and model answer key gives C, but both A and C are correct.
no tell me first whether the answer that you wrote in the OMR tallied with the answer the preliminary answer key
No, because preliminary and model both
No.
are same.
in that case did you file your objection
My lord, I should be candid before lordship. At the first instance, the objections were not raised, but after publication of the result, where there is discrepancies, the commission allowed to make or approach the commission.
how
Only written that if in case of discrepancies, you approach the commission. It is given. I can show from the records itself.
no but then that
We
is
mailed
separate.
them. We mailed them about the discrepancies. And so far, the third question is concerned, 4 options are incorrect and not in commensurate with the question.
You, if you have not filed any objection, then the court is not there with you. Please
That is a
come.
lordship stand, yes, that I understand.
Ah.
But we have mailed them.
The petitioner participated in the second SLST number
910.
2025 in respect of classes 9 and 10. Stop submission is that the answers published by the commission in the preliminary model answer key is incorrect. Stop. It appears that the rules relying on which the examination is being conducted permits candidates to file objection/suggestion after publication of the preliminary answer key. Stop. The petitioners in the instant case have not filed any objection within the stipulated time period. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to revisit the answers relying on the several study materials annexed by the petition in the writ petition. Stop. Paragraph. Not inclined to accept the prayer of the petitioners since none of them filed their objection/suggestion within the stipulated time period. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Grateful to Lordship.
এটা কি? কি কাজে লাগবে? এটা তো কি স্ট্যাটাস দিয়েছে?
My lord, this is also regarding English, where, my lord, two questions, both preliminary and final model answer key, the option C was given, but from the text it appears B is correct. So for the second question is concerned, preliminary and final model answer key says B, but both are correct, which is evident from the records. We have raised objections
within
lord.
the stipulated time?
Stipulated time, my lord. I'm just telling your lordship that who have raised objection.
Who have raised means
There are,
all did not raise.
Yes, I'm showing to your lordship. I'm showing to your lordship. Well, I should draw this to your lordship, bring to the lordship's attention, my lord. I will. Total 6 petitioners are there. And my lord, petitioner number 1 has page 117 onwards. 1, 2, only one they has lodged. Abhishek Prasad has lodged. 3, 4, Shubha Mukherjee has lodged. 4 of them have lodged complaint. This 2 have not. My lord, this out of these 6, 5 have qualified. 1 has lost for 1 marks, could not qualify. Who has lodged objection, my lord?
He has lodged.
He has lodged objection.
Yes.
He has lodged objection. Abhishek Prasad, he has lodged objection. My lord, 2 have not. My lord, I should place before your lordship. 4 have lodged complaint, page 117 onwards. And my lord, it is evident from the records that both the answers, in case of first question, B is correct, where C has been given. And the second question, A and B both are correct. They have taken B. So, my lord, so for this, my lord, we are entitled for at least 2 marks, considering the questions and answer are concerned at the pretext of the textbooks, which we have annexed with the petition. We have also lodged with the at the time of lordship when it was considered.
How has this been considered?
And my lord, this is the order
You'll come
of
up with a
because your lordship has directed for revisiting the issue in the similar kind of matters. Your lordship has considered.
Please come. এখানে কোথায় রিভিজিট করছিস তখন? এটা রেখে দেবেন, রিসিট দরকার আছে না? It is already there. ঠিক আছে. The petitioners participated in the second SLST, 2025.
লিখতে চট করে কাগজে লিখতো মৌমিতা অনির্বাণ অভিষেক। মৌমিতা অনির্বাণ অভিষেক।
Stop the
মৌমিতা অনির্বাণ অভিষেক।
আচ্ছা, for classes
অনির্বাণ
11 and 12. There is issue with regard to the answers published in the preliminary model answer key.
শুভা শুভা
Stop. It has been submitted that
শুভা
the petitioners raised objection to the preliminary model answer key within the time limit stipulated by the commission, but the same has not been considered. Stop. Next. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to revisit the issue. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the commission seeks accommodation to revert with a report. Stop. Next. In view of the above, let a report by the commission be prepared and circulated, disclosing the steps taken in response to the objection raised by the petitioners. By 5th of January 2026. Released on 7th.
My lord, your lordship has stated petitioners except petition number 3 and
Let them say that
yes.
3 has not filed.
Yes. I'm
Very well.
my lord,
Please
it will be
admit it.
abide by. Yeah, I admit, my lord, it will be abide by the result of the writ petition since 31st
Yes.
December is kindly record that
Right.
31st December is crossing.
Steps taken by the commission in respect of the candidature of the petitioners shall abide by the result of the writ petition.
My lord, I'm handing over all the court fees which have.
Oh, it's there in the server.
Yes. I'm also.
Doesn't matter. Keep it with you. As long the court can see that it has been paid, no issues.
I don't
It
know if
is-
it can be seen.
It can. Otherwise, how could you take the printout?
No, in the screen. I don't-
Absolutely, it will be there in your screen also.
Okay, I did not know that, my lord. I did not know that.
Yes, please.
Yes, my lord. In this case, all of them have lodged complaints. There are 3 questions, my lord.
The same order can go.
Same order, yes. Just saying, my lord, in 2 cases, both the correct and third is
Oh, whatever, same order.
only one difference.
18 and 19, same order.
Only one difference. My lord, this benefit of doubt has to be given in one question.
All right.
24 petitioners, one did not raise objection.
And if
No, I think everybody has given. Very well, I'll check it.
check up.
We'll have it. Very well, my lord. 5th of
Yes,
January.
20.
Grateful to you.
Well, in 20, I made an application. I have filed. I have got a number. Now, we have been shortlisted. Process. It is on EWS matter.
It is not.
It is on EWS matter.
Oh,
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Saying is
Item for 20. Kindly grant me short password, Your Lordship.
not just short. All I pray is that
You are for whom?
well, I am for the EWS candidates who have been. He's for the.
No, he is for the petitioner. You are not the petitioner.
I made an application for addition of party. My name was in our names are in the interview list, processed. So now we are waiting for the interview. At this juncture, with certain declaration, this writ petition has been filed. All I pray is today, kindly, my lord, add us because an interpretation would be required. Lordship has already delivered one judgment. We have seen that we are not covered by that, but some other interpretation they are seeking for it. Kindly post it on 6th or 7th, because 6th is the other matter, maybe 7th or 8th. Because in our case, it has been already been processed, and all of us we made an applications within the cut-off date.
No, here the candidate received the EWS certificate when?
Yes, that's the
10th.
point. The candidates, well, that is
14th April. 14 July 2025, Your Lordship.
not asking for himself.
He's saying that
Eh,
anybody who has obtained certificate,
This is a
After
declaration.
certificate, they should not be allowed. But for our flat, we have taken out an application.
Yes,
for
we are.
traditional party. Our certificate was issued after 21st. According to us, we should be also allowed, which they are opposing.
Well, it is like in case of EWS, date of application has to be before the cutoff application. That's we have done.
Listen, I cannot understand one thing.
Yes.
It is only after the issuance of the certificate that you can claim the benefit of EWS.
Here lies,
Till a certificate is issued,
yes.
you cannot claim that benefit.
No, there lies a little difference. Difference is this: in case of EWS, once there is an advertisement in a recruitment, that's the purpose. Then we can make an applications. So therefore, month of
Why? Without that, you cannot apply.
usually that's one of the in the formats. Usually, that's one of the things.
In that case, the judgment I delivered will be rendered nugatory.
No.
It is an
Lordship
absolute
judgment
wrong
is not
judgment.
going to stand in my way. Lordship judgment was that specifically exact sentence was that long after the cutoff date, You did not even make an application,
Maybe
CP.
in that case, but there are cases which I am getting where the application is made within the due date,
Yes,
but the certificate is issued later on.
yes. But on
There
that,
are
there are
cases-
series of judgments, even including the EWS, where it has been clearly clarified. And I will show from the rule itself, a distinction has been clearly prescribed in the rule that for SC and ST for education.
SC and SC is
Yes,
different.
an educational qualification, it has to be the last date of advertisement. For the others, there has to be an application for issuance of the same, and I have to possess the certificate prior to the last date which they have extended. So that was the 26th of September.
Assuming the
Yes.
extension was not there, what would have happened?
Assuming, sorry.
The extension was not there.
Yes,
21st is the last date.
yes.
Then you do not have a
So if the
certificate.
extension was not there, then I have to rely on solely on judgment.
With
but the-
judgment.
there
That
Yes, because well, EWS is something my lordship has to consider. This weaker sections. My last financial year, that April 24 to 25 March, 31st March, this all figures, my lord, going through several departments, ultimately I will get it.
Hmm.
So therefore, once they give the certificate, their certificate says from April 25.
yes, for one
to-
financial year.
Yes, so from April 25, it covers the period from April 25 to the 31st March of 26. My bona fide has to be that the moment there was an advertisement, did I make the applications? I did. Next, my good point is that after that, did I get within that extension? Answer is yes. And there may be some persons who might have got it prior to credentials being verified. So some points are there. Kindly keep it, my lord, 7th or 8th.
Your lordship,
It has to be thrashed out from both sides.
this is a leap matter, your lordship.
Now, my lord, there are my learned friend and me, both of us filed the applications. So one, yours is 1 and 2.
আমাদের application প্রথম one faster than
Your lordship, Mr. Sudipto Dasgupta
Yes, yes.
engaged in a matter, your lordship. Kindly
Declaration
keep-
declaring that the candidates who are possessing EWS certificate issued on or before Ato is the only valid certificate for availing the benefit.
So therefore, he is ignoring
But
the
he-
extension. And he is trying the possession.
Because see, the law also says so.
My lord, law,
Rules relying on which the
Hello.
recruitment process
my lord,
is
with
being
the
conducted
deepest
is
respect,
also-
my lord, most likely we shall be getting your lordship's blessings once we show the law. But today, my lord, it will take some time. Our process has already been done also. Kindly keep it on 7th or 8th. Allow us have little more preparations, little
Your
more
lordship,
oxygen.
it is
then
a
come back.
urgent matter, your lordship. This is a leap petition, your lordship. Kindly grant me a short passable, your lordship.
All right.
Mr. Dasgupta,
Bring.
grateful to your lordship.
21. What is the stand of the commission in this matter? Are you all accepting certificates issued after the cutoff date? That is different. Continued means it was there in the previous year and it was continuing. That is different.
ওই
That is different.
সাহাবানু নিয়ে যাবো ও, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বসে
this matter, what your lordship says and made subject to correction. 21st July being the cutoff, any person having it by 21st July
Is
will be allowed.
all right.
Because according to your lordship language, borrowing Supreme Court, EWS is not SC or ST or
Right.
something. It is issued year to year basis.
Yes.
On someone's economic capacity may turn out to be better the following financial year. So only
Can
that is
apply
the
for a-
issue of your lordship's order.
সাফ করেছে
Following
And your rules.
post 21/7/2025.
But then the candidates are here. They say that yes, you all are permitting, and that is the reason they have come here.
My lord, they have
People who are
My lord, only.
No, they are not continuing ones.
It's not about continuing, let.
About continuing, my lord.
Please, kindly, once again. The writ petition, the prayer of the writ petition is seeking a declaration.
Not the petitioners, the applicants who have filed application.
Yes.
Not the petitioners. Petitioners want a declaration in terms of your notification.
Let's just get a copy.
Yeah,
Received any application? From any of them.
This has been.
Today, my lord, we have filed, we have subbed to
petitioner one, my lord, petitioner wants a declaration in terms of your lordship's order in Kamalakanto.
Your rule also seems to.
Right. So, my lord, we are going by your decision which your lordship delivered in Kamalakanto, my lord, that decision, Kamalakanto Maiti. Only those, the commission, my lord, as per my understanding, only those who had EWS certificate in
That is-
24-25. Apart from that,
Understand.
for none, this facility is being given.
The applicants claim to
time, no.
be
If
different.
the my lord, I have, my lord, Mr. Haldar,
Maybe at the time.
Mr. Haldar has given us a copy. We'll take.
The law says that at the time of verification, you have to produce.
Specific that EWS cannot be a continuing one like.
Nobody is saying.
Every year it has to be afresh.
Right.
The person may be an EWS 24-25. It cannot be in 25-26. Now, my lord, the rule and the advertisement specifies as your lordship has also done. Last date of application, one should possess the certificate. My lord, there was no embargo. The 31st March 2025, the EWS certificate expired. Why they did not apply earlier, like the petitioners, my lord? They choose not to. They applied only after issuance of the advertisement or something. Now, my lord, in that case, they cannot get the benefit that since you have applied, it might so happen once they in a PH candidate or an OBC candidate will say, okay, I will apply. See, I have applied. I am getting it. The law is settled, my lord. The rule and the agreement. What is happening, my lord?
We are strictly following your lordship.
My lord, what is happening?
The order came later on. There must be a rule.
Yes.
The rule is 21st.
Had the order not been there, you have a rule.
The law is such.
Yes.
Then how got they have?
That's needs to be reinterpreted. What's the law?
Because of these candidates,
I have followed it. I have followed it.
I want an interim order that I may be called for 11-12. For 1 mark, I was not called for verification.
Oh.
The list is yet to be published.
So ultimately-
If these candidates, my lord, come, I may be, my lord,
That's the reason.
verification.
Well, if you want.
That's why less meritorious candidates take advantage of this situation.
Eligible candidate to take the benefit of EWS.
That's right. That needs to be interpreted.
All right.
If
please
he
come.
wants to be be there, I have no
the
difficulty.
petitioners,
সবাই আগে অ্যাপ্লাই করেছে
the petitioners
অর্পণের না আমি ওদের থেকে নিয়েছি সবাই এটাকে
One
স্ক্যান করে
petitioner.
নেবো এবার আর
claims
হার্ড
to be
কপিটা তো অচিন্ত
the member of
দেওয়া হবে
economically
করে নিয়ে নেবো।
weaker section of the society.
Sir.
Stuff.
আরে অর্পণের অ্যাডিশন অফ পার্টি যেটা এক্ষুনি মুভ করছে
He has prayed for a direction upon the
আমরা তাদেরকে দিই যারা দিই
no, tar age. He applied for recruitment in the second SLST
এটা hard copy.
2025, and he prays for a direction upon the commission to
কথা হচ্ছে মানে কিভাবে করে কথা হচ্ছে তাহলে মামলা ধরনের ওখানে শুরু করতে বল
করতে করতে সতর্ক কিছু
এলে না 5 ওভার হয়ে গেল পরে এসো
ততক্ষণে তো নিয়ে নিয়েছি
5 ওভার তো হয়ে গেছিল স্টে করে মামলা হয়ে যেত
তোমরা সবাই 21 তারিখের আগে অ্যাপ্লাই
to direct direction upon the commission to permit candidates who possess EWS certificate within the last date of filing the application, that is 21st July 2025, to get the benefit of reservation. Stuff.
This was extended.
It is the submission of the petitioner that because of candidates ineligible to be treated under the reserved category, the petitioner may lose the chance
The High Court
get the benefit of reservation. Stop paragraph. Can one and can two? Can two, when was it filed?
Today,
Yes, today.
Oh,
both today, because it was a leave matter
কিন্তু এটা file
before
দেখছি
the
আমি।
clients could gather and come. It has to be a lightning speed.
Acha.
problem is everything is available in live stream, everybody is seeing, and
It is not problem. It's a good thing. Transparent.
Advantage for everybody.
problem for the petition.
So no ex party order.
বললাম,
Problem for the petitioner is
two
happiness
applications
for us.
have been filed seeking
Yes, that is what I am.
addition of party. Stop. The applicants also claim to be members of the EWS category, but the difference is that they did not possess the EWS certificate on the last date of filing the application. Stop. The applicants claim that they applied for obtaining the certificate within the last date of filing the application, but received the same beyond the last date. Stop. The applicant's case is that they filed the they obtained the EWS certificate within the extended period provided by the commission for updating their category.
পুলিশকে দেবে কমিশনকে দেবে
Stop. Next. According to the commission and the state respondents, only the candidates who possessed EWS certificate on or before the last date of filing the application, that is 21st July 2025, will get the benefit of reservation under EWS category.
Well, this will go against
No, no.
us.
It is there.
Those who had in 2024, 2025. Only add that line.
I'll record. This is their
Yes,
submission.
Submission is contrary to their own record.
It has been submitted that the candidates who possessed the EWS certificate in the last financial year is also being provided the benefit of reservation, provided they obtain fresh certificate for the current financial year.
Provided they have applied before 21st July.
And they had applied for obtaining the same prior to 21st of July 2025. Stop. Next. As it appears that the commission is more or less supporting the stand of the petitioner, accordingly, the court is not passing any interim order in this matter at this stage. Stuff. The applicants be added in the instant writ petition. Stuff. The applicants would be let copy of the applications be served upon the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. It will be open for the respondents / added respondents to file opposition to the writ petition by
our application can be treated as
30th December.
There is a reason. It was done so hurriedly.
30th December 2025. Stop. Soft copies can be served. Prepare soft copies and serve. If you are supporting the petitioner, you are not required. But then to the
Added response.
added respondent.
Even for one day, Mr. Dasgupta is not going to admit that we are page.
My case, specific case is
At least
if a candidate have a EWS certificate in 24-25, commission is saying if he do not have the certificate, he have applied, he will get. I am also opposing that. This is my very case, my lord. And that is why, because of this,
we have not allowed anyone.
Listen. Somebody has the EWS certificate till the 31st of March 2025. This advertisement was published on 30th of May 2025. Now the candidate who had it previously, if he applies within this period, because he was already there in the last year, it can be that for the current year he may not get despite application.
Yes. In a similar situation, my lord,
That can be.
What the Supreme Court has said in a similar situation, even in case of COVID-19.
No, COVID-19 is separate.
No.
যেখানে তাহলে বললাম যে commission is supporting, ওই লাইনটা কেটে দেবেন। Do not write that.
Deserve our energy for.
ঠিক আছে? Do not give that it is support.
Order, my lord, let the commission produce a list of EWS candidates who have availed such benefits.
Always insist.
No, because how
This list is already there, and I am sure
my lord, EWS.
they have it in their data, and as and when it is required, it can be brought. This data is not very important. If the issue is decided, court can always call for data. That will not be a problem.
ওদেরকে ফোন করে ডাকবে।
All right, I understand.
করে ডাকবে।
আচ্ছা বললাম হ্যাঁ 31st of 30th and 31st কি বললাম 30th of December 2025. Stop. Release the matter on 7th.
লিস্টটা তো ট্রান্সপারেন্সির জন্য নয়।
Candidature of the petitioner, the applicants shall be subject to the result of the instant writ petition. And the department is directed to make the necessary amendment in the cost of
2002 ভোটার লিস্টে নাম ছিল কিনা?
Credentials have already been verified because
whatever is there on record is there.
Only one sentence.
Adding will create problem. Assuming that your credentials have been verified.
As my
If
I understand.
if the
I'm not
order
asking,
goes.
I'm not asking
Only
anything.
one thing, urgent undertaking,
finally.
urgent motion, my lord.
All right, urgent motion.
Judge Saib নামের আগে
No, it will be added to the list of the previous charge.
Kindly, we are on a Friday, on a lighter.
Yes, yes.
Minor is also on a
that.
Friday.
Yes,
All is well, all is well.
22,
20.
21.
21, 21.
21.
Covered by minor zone.
Malad, this is also, Malad, one matter was moved before your Lordship, Malad. Malad, your Lordship has been pleased to post it on 13th of January. No, Malad, already. Mr. Partha Sharati Bhattacharya appeared. Order different matter. I will.
All right. Place it. Place it.
Punandan Boshak.
Place it. What is it?
I let my case there. ঘন্টা ওদেরকে জমা দিয়ে ডিপার্টমেন্টে জমা দিয়ে
Yes.
Well, the petitioner herein was the candidate of 2016 selection. Kindly turn page number 119.
Yes.
Well, is the admit card. Well, very next page, page number 120. The Zakir Hossain. He was a whitelisted candidate.
All right.
If corruption is not happened, he got appointed. And his name is not featured in the tainted category list. My lord will remember, I placed the Supreme Court judgment, hard judgment, that whosoever is a tainted candidate, because before the Supreme Court, SSC placed the tainted candidate list.
Yes.
Not only tainted appointees list. So the candidate's name never featured in any tainted list. He is a 2016 untainted candidate. Now, my lord, you fill up the form. After filing this form, my lord, his candidacy was considered and he gave an examination. Thereafter, my lord, a rejection list came out. Page number 100, before page number 116, my lord, that his marks.
Yes.
My lord, his marks. Now, my lord, kindly see the status called for verification. What is my lord? Page number 116.
116 status. Where
Status is middle portion after.
Yes, called for verification.
So he was called for verification. Now, thereafter, my lord, Zakir Hossain number is featured in page number 117. What number he get? Now, my lord, kindly very next page, page number 118. That is, my lord, what is the list of candidate after verification came out? List of candidate found to be disqualified for interview and lecture demonstration after verification page. So after verified,
which page?
Page number 118.
118.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So after verification, my lord, they says
Rejected due to overage.
he rejected due to overage.
Right.
I am a 2016 selected candidate and untainted candidate. Supreme Court specifically says in Vivek Pariya matter.
Yes. This issue is pending. Right.
And not only that, my lord already passed the order in Shubhish Sarkar matter. I just placed my lord's order. My lord.
Not appealed. Not appealed.
Appealed before the SLP, not yet.
No.
My lord, kindly turn page number 30. Para 30, sorry. Pardon me, my lord. Para 30.
Paragraph 30.
Onwards. 30 to 42.
Yes.
The Honorable Supreme Court in Boishaki Bhattacharya Chatterjee Supra permitted candidates to participate in the 2016 recruitment process and who are not specifically tested to be eligible to participate in the fresh selection process with appropriate age relaxation. Very next paragraph. It is an admitted fact that the Commission has not yet published any list of candidates not specifically tainted. The Honorable Division Bench in the matter of Arunima Pal Supra also took note of the fact that it is the candidate not found to be specifically tainted who may be permitted to take part in the fresh selection process with relaxation. In the absence of a list disclosing the name of the candidate not specifically tainted, the Commission cannot restrict participation by age. The candidate whose names do not appear in the list of tainted candidates published by the Commission. The candidate in the recruitment process of the year 2016 have been bifurcated into two distinct sets. First, the tainted ones whose candidature the Supreme Court has not approved of and has specifically kept them out of the fresh selection process. And the second, the untainted candidate who have been permitted to participate in the recruitment process. The Honorable Division Bench in Orunima Pal Supra was also of the same opinion that the untainted candidate be permitted to participate with age relaxation. None of the orders passed by either the Honorable Supreme Court or the High Court mentioned that the fresh selection process should be restricted only amongst the appointed untainted candidates or the not tainted appointed candidates. This court cannot lose sight of the fact that there may be many candidates who did not get appointment only because the tainted candidate have been accommodated. Had the tainted candidate not been given appointment, many of the others would have got the job. 38. The Honorable Supreme Court time and again has reminded the High Court should be mindful of not allowing any of the tainted candidates to participate in the selection process. The same implies that any candidate who is not specifically tainted shall be entitled to participate in the selection process, irrespective of the fact whether the candidate got the appointment or not. In fact, the writ petitions declaring the selection process null and void were filed by candidates who did not get the job. Be it recorded that in the instant case, the rule which is under challenge is the West Bengal School Service Commission selection of person for appointment to the post of non-teaching staff rules 2025. The said rule has not yet been challenged before any forum, though it has been asserted by the respondent that a similar rule was under challenge in the matter of Orunima Pal Supra, but the petitioner states that 2025 rules were not under challenge. In the state judgment, it is seen that the Honorable Division Bench has specifically observed in more than one place that Recruitment Rules 2025 per se is not under challenge. In view of the above, the court is of the
are you also of the non-teaching staff category?
In this instant matter, no, my lord. I am 11-12 category.
You are 11-12.
Yes.
All right.
So, but I am because of that same principle and same analogy. In the view of the above, the court is of the prima facie opinion that Commission should immediately publish the list of candidates not specifically tainted, so that they may take part in the fresh recruitment process if they choose to do so. As the last date of filing of the application form been extended till such and such date, the Commission shall take step to publish the list prior thereto, so that the candidate
This is for the non-teaching.
specifically tainted can participate in the recruitment process with appropriate age relaxation.
That is for the non-teaching ones.
Staff. So, my lord, principle is that, my lord, who are not specifically tainted is entitled to get age relaxation. I can place the 3rd April order, my lord, from annex here in my lord. Page number double.
Listen, similar matter has been fixed. When you 13th of January. আমার interview.
My lord, may I two things, because as an
27961.
কত 27 27
27961 of 2025. My lord, may I indicate two things, because yes, I follow. One matter is kept on that day, my lord. I will tag this matter, these two matter along with that matter. I will argue, my lord. In the meanwhile, because verification is done, if so, interview process is going on. So, my lord, kindly kept one post vacant.
How one? There may be so many candidates.
Why? Because if my lord, complete question. If I came within the zone of consideration, that's my subject. Why? Because of that, my lord. Suppose they proceeded with this selection process, because there is a ratio maintained. Suppose if they proceeded with that selection process, my opportunity will come, my lord. So it will be kind of, if I not succeeded in this proceeding, my lord,
then it is all right. Then it is different.
So, my lord, if I come into the zone of consideration, my lord, kindly consider it, or whatever my lord wants.
13 January.
13 January.
My lord, if one post is to be kept vacant for every petitioner who approaches your lordship, my lord, without establishing a very strong prima facie case, then, my lord, the entire recruitment process will jeopardize, my lord. Several posts have to be left vacant till the writ petitions are decided.
renew my entry and it will not harm anyone.
And my lord, this other order he's showing, kindly see the stage when this person came.
No,
The
no,
stage in the group C, group D, they came before the list was published, and here the petitioner is coming, knowing of all the facts, absolutely at the fag end, when they are to complete the process within 18 days from today.
my lord, may I submit? My lord, my learned friend.
The Honorable Supreme Court's order was there from April.
When I came immediately because of that.
No,
they
no,
allowed
it
the
is
selection process.
right. It is only after the rejection that he
Yes.
has come.
Yes.
That I can understand.
My lord, may I renew my entry
Hmm.
prayer? Let's take the interview without publishing my marks. Let's take my interview without publishing my marks.
Well, in that case, the prima facie case has to be argued by all of us. Very well, we'll reply then. We are
I can consider in that aspect. But not publish my interview marks. Let's keep it produce people this code in sealed envelope, but take the interview, my lord, as an interim measure, my lord. As an interim measure. It will never prejudice any person, my lord.
Well, neither the Honorable Supreme Court declared them as untainted. They are again, at the cost of repetition, they are self-styled untainted candidates. Nor, my lord, when the matter, my lord, irrespective of whether virus was challenged or not challenged, well, all these points have been taken care of, my lord, by the division bench.
Declared tainted candidate.
The
I'm
petitioner
not in that. No,
participated in the recruitment process conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, 2025. In respect of classes 11 and 12 stuff, he has been found to be disqualified for interview and lecture demonstration.
Okay, push it. Thanks, my lord.
And his name has been published in the list published by the commission, and the name has been incorporated in the list published by the commission on 22nd November 2025. Stop. The ground for disqualifying the petitioner is overage. Paragraph. According to the petitioner, as he is an untainted, unappointed candidate of the 2016 recruitment process, he ought to be given the benefit of age relaxation. Stop. Prayer has been made to permit the petitioner to participate in the interview process, but his candidature will abide by the result of the writ petition. Stop. The aforesaid submission of the petitioner is opposed by the respondents. Stop. Submission is that the petitioner approached the court at a very delayed point of time. Stop. There is no declaration of the status of the petitioner, whether he is untainted or not. Stop. It has been further submitted that if the petitioner is permitted to take the interview, then the entire selection process may be jeopardized.
As an afterthought, may I make one more submission, my lord? My lord, interview and lecture demonstration is not as similar to a written test, where same set is applied for every student and he cannot come back with a different set. The standards will be different. But interview there is no set formula, and lecture demonstration is up to him how he will demonstrate. So it can always be taken later if they succeed in the writ petition.
They succeed. Where will you accommodate? It is only this thing.
No, my lord.
If he succeeds, where will you accommodate?
Well, your lordships, then the Honorable Supreme Court has time and again directed, my lord, accommodation, even if required by way of supernumerary posts.
Why go to that stage?
But, my lord, if the post is left vacant today,
Keeping anything vacant, let his marks be kept in a sealed cover,
Yes.
right? Then let us see what happens in the writ petition. Thereafter, if he qualifies, we'll see how to accommodate. But then, as of now, no seats are kept vacant.
But my lord, these submissions I'm making, my lord, rather keeping not only one petitioner in mind, but
There may be several.
I cannot make this submission that the floodgates will open. I cannot make the submission. I'm conscious of that. But it is not really the petitioner I'm looking at, but what may follow, my lord, what I'm.
Larger picture.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, when the commission will have to take suppose they are prepared to take interview of suppose 2,000 people. Then if they have to take interview of 2,500 people, then the entire scenario changes quite a bit.
One is over there, the number that you said, and one is here.
Very well.
Not many have come forward in this category, at least overage.
Well, another thing is yesterday in item number 3, my lord, I know the fact because I come through the petition. That candidate, my lord, where my lord, School Service Commission accepted that they made mistake. Who is that candidate? The petitioner got recommendation letter, but not appointed.
She was appointed, my lord. She was appointed. Her appointment was annexed in the writ petition.
Not joined in respect of that.
My lord, her appointment was annexed in the writ petition. She was not in the tainted candidate. She was selected appointed
because
candidate.
he not get any experience mark for that reason, my lord. For that reason, he not get.
She has not claimed experience marks.
Commission
Submissions
accepted
which
it.
have been made is wrong.
Today, my lord, they denied it.
My lord, her appointment letter, he was appointed candidate. He was working.
But not joined. Not
My lord,
to
he
any
was
experience
working.
mark. I come through it.
The petitioner has placed reliance on the order passed by this court on 3rd December 2025 in WPA 27648 of 2025 in the matter of Shubir Sarkar and others versus the state of West Bengal and others, wherein the others, wherein in respect of the non-teaching staff, the court permitted the untainted candidates, unappointed candidates of the 2016 recruitment process to participate in the present recruitment process with age relaxation. Stop. Next. The it is noted that if the writ petition, if the writ petition is allowed, then the petitioner would be entitled to the benefit of age relaxation. Stop. After the selection process is over, it may not be possible for the commission to immediately accommodate the petitioner in any post. In any declared vacancy. Stop. Accordingly, as an interim measure, the commission is directed to permit the petitioner to participate in the interview and lecture demonstration process. The marks obtained by the petitioner in the interview and lecture demonstration shall not be published by the commission, but will be retained in a sealed cover to be placed before this court as and when called for. Stop. If the if it is found that the petitioner secures marks more than the last candidate in the interview and the lecture demonstration. Last qualified candidate. ঠিক আছে? Then only the writ petition will be taken up for further consideration. Stop. The candidature of the petitioner shall abide by the result of the writ petition.
Liberty to mention to us, because if they find that it's lower, then they can mention it.
Their interview is now not going to the in-camera procedure. In our state, they took interview in camera.
No, but then
In similar type of matter,
deliberately they'll fail you.
Only one.
How will the court assess it?
that is in camera. That's the reason, take interview in camera because in the Abdul Hanif matter, similar things happen, it is kind of nowadays in our state.
No, it is all right. It is all right. It is all right. Then
This is taking the apprehension a bit too far,
if they choose to fail you, even if you are on camera, they can fail you.
My prayer is that they took an interview, they ought to put this interview for all the candidates in camera mode.
That has not been done. And at this stage, if this order is passed, then half the process is over. In 9-10, let a prayer be made. I'll pass orders in 9-10.
Why is he so apprehensive?
Yes, obviously.
It is a matter of life and livelihood. Everybody is apprehensive.
The similar
this
matter
is-
posted below your lordship is in please to direct consideration.
If this matter, after few time, I bring that judgment of Supreme Court is long back,
No, it is all right. I'm aware.
video.
Yes. That I'm aware.
So, it will be kind enough, pass that order,
And provided there are certain findings.
In regular basis, you should do it. This is such a contested matter. So many candidates, you have seen the shades. I was speaking of it on the last occasion. You are appearing in each and every matter. The variety that is coming in.
But there must be some foundation to this apprehension.
And not an apprehension in regular course.
If that apprehension, is
Even
neither
there is,
only a stray prayer there, without any foundational pleadings, nothing.
it is not a matter of
Difficulty,
stray.
kindly pardons me. Today, had we incorporated that in our rules, then that portion of the rules again would have been challenged.
You never know.
Please,
You never know.
he cannot, with respect, subject to correction, I may be wrong. He cannot perhaps dictate the commission as to how and what process the commission is going to employ in the absence of corresponding allegation. Supreme Court in School Service Commission matter,
In no matter, the Honorable Supreme Court passed any order without foundational pleadings. Let him show from the writ petition that his apprehension is pleaded somewhere. I have failed to find it.
1,000 posts.
Only a stray prayer, only prayer H.
Keep this matter after 10 minutes, I bring that.
1 minute. What I told, in case they choose to fail you, even if you are on camera, they will fail you. They can do it. So you cannot say.
Take all the candidates. Then I can.
Next, they will say they are changing the recording, do it live on live TV. Next, they will say that publish it in YouTube. There is no end to it. And by they, I mean the petitioner only. সকালে সাবমিশনটা এখানে রিপিট করছে কেন? এটা সকালে করে দিয়েছে তো অন্য কোর্ট।
Release the other matter pending.
13 January
List on 13th. ঠিক আছে? Next.
একই কাউন্সিল আদার সাইডে পড়লে এটাই মুশকিল। সকালে সাবমিশনটা এখানে করে মেন্ট ইজ সেম তো নাকি আর কিছু বলবো? সাবমিশন বলবো সেম বলতে তো ভয় লাগে।
That was in 11-12, the earlier one. This is seven petitioners, and all in the same category.
এই মুখগুলোর মধ্যে ইয়ে ঢুকে গেছে, ডাকে ঢুকে গেছে।
Petition number 11 chair, petition number 2 11 chair, petition number 3 11 chair, petition number 4 9 10 and 11 chair, petition number 5 9 10 and 11 chair.
Why don't you segregate petitions?
Because of that,
9, 10, you keep it separate. 11, 12, you keep it separate. Rule is combined, but then they are participating in separate stages.
Yeah.
Oh, they have participated in both. Achha.
so that's the reason, because of that matter, if they already 11 12 matter, they already declared after verification they rejected, and then 9 10 not yet started. So with the same principle, they are going to reject it.
Where is the list? You are overage. Rejected due to overage.
The very page 138,
Yes, I followed.
141, 143.
All right, you show me that judgment where Supreme Court directed in each and every matter. Pass over. All right, pass over. And you give the citation to them also.
So we can get it out here immediately, bolo. Oh, judgment to me.
Yes.
তো
when-
WhatsApp করে দেবো, citation এ WhatsApp করে দেবো।
Yes. General category.
Just like here I have the document. What the document is
That you filled it up as the reserved category, but later on it was transposed to the general. The commission, take care. Supplementary did you serve?
Not to.
Did the commission receive the supplementary, Mr. Singh?
Lord, I have received a soft copy.
Yes, soft copy. Please come
But
to
Lord,
page 4.
my instruction remains the same. We have not changed any application form. Whatever change has been made by the candidate itself. We are not authorized to change any of the candidate's application form. My lord can record it.
Page number 4, you please come to the supplementary. Are you aware?
Yes.
Please check.
It is
Page
SC as application is SC STPH.
This is Uttam Maiti,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Where is
Jagabandhu Maiti, father's name is.
Jagabandhu Maiti? And show Jagabandhu's application that you annexed. Yes. Right.
So it's the
Page
same.
44. No, it is not the same. I get it. It's not the same. Page 44. Category is general. How did it automatically show it is general? What will be your response?
Lord, they have edited it. But we have not edited it.
A candidate who is seeking reservation benefit will go and edit the application form and say that I am general. What submission are you making?
Lord, the application was
Candidate is paid 200 rupees for the reserved category and he will mention that I am general category.
But it is his mistake. Man, we have not. Had we
General category candidates think of getting the reservation certificate so that they can get the
if we
benefit.
were changing the application forms, my lord, your lordship would not have been receiving all those petitions where application forms there no category is mentioned. Because there are
Yes,
several
it is
petitions.
there. It is there.
One in the supplementary, the category is missing.
This is what his submission is. That when at the time of filing the initial application, it is only when if you click the SC, the reserved category, the drop box will come to 200 and the general category will not be there.
My lord, reserve
Two
category
cannot
has not been
exist at the same
collected.
time.
reserve category was not being collected.
Well, please come. No, I'll check up in that matter. And if you want, I can go through this also, because this I have had it on record. File your affidavit disclosing how it could be done. The petitioner participated in the second SLS of assistant teachers, 2025 in class level 11 and 12. Stop. He filled up his application disclosing his reserved category and filed the application fee meant for the reserved category. Stop. The commission treated the candidature of the petitioner as general, as the petitioner failed to respond to the addendum notices issued by the commission from time to time. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the same. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the judgment delivered by this bench on blank 27th of November 2025 in WPA blank of 2025 in the matter of Somnath Pramanik versus State of West Bengal and others. AJ.
26937.
Stop. The prayer has been made to direct the commission to treat the petitioner's candidature in the reserved category.
Milord, in supplementary affidavit, Milord, there is an application form which is annexed at page number 4. Milord, the application form runs in 2 pages. The second page, Milord, I have not been served. I don't know, Milord, whether that second page of that application form is in Milord brief or not, Milord. But Milord, at the second page form, it is written when it is printed. Milord, like at page number 44, your lordship has
generated on July 22, July 22. That is my statement in the supplementary affidavit as well on oath. So nothing is contradicted by my learned friend.
Milord, when it is printed, Milord, if I can get the information when the form at supplementary affidavit is printed, I'll take instructions on that.
22nd July, as per the pleading.
July 2025.
You take, Mr. Singh, you take that paragraph, paragraph 4, as per the pleading, it is there.
The submission of the petitioner is.
Do not show that.
We have seen. We have the last page, we have seen.
Learned advocate by the respondents. Top paragraph. As now, according to the commission, the petitioner has himself updated his caste category and disclosed the same to be general. Stop. Accordingly, the petitioner cannot be given the benefit of reservation. Stop. Specific stand of the petitioner is that the document annexed in the supplementary affidavit at page 4 is the application filed by the petitioner at the initial stage. Stop. The document at page 44 of the writ petition is the application which the petitioner did not file. Stop. Stop the paragraph. It is seen that the document in the supplementary affidavit was generated on 22nd of July 2025. And the document at page 44 of the writ petition was generated on 16th of November 2025. Stop. The commission is directed to file an affidavit disclosing as to how page 44 could be now how the application filed by the petitioner himself got changed. 44, disclosing the category of the petitioner came to be generated. Stop paragraph. As the issue in the instant writ petition has been answered by the court in the matter of Somnath Pramanik within bracket Supra. Accordingly, the same direction passed in the matter of Somnath Pramanik Supra is passed herein. Stop. The commission is directed to treat the petitioner in the reserved category, subject to verification of the reservation certificate. Stop. Released on 13th of January 2026.
Great. Yeah.
For the petitioner led by Mr. Uday Shankar Chattopadhyay, the case is, my lord, the petitioner had applied for the second SLST exam under SC/ST category, but they are incorrectly updated, my lord, into general. After that, the application started from page 25. And moreover, my lord directed me to pay the requisite court fees. I have paid that. Here.
Already we have pending.
And how many are there?
10 petitions.
10. Each of them disclosed their category and status in the application form as reserved?
My lord, they have paid 200 rupees, my lord. And category, my lord, the category is the part is...
Certificate.
They have submitted the certificate, my lord, but the category is missing. And my lord, for one application, the category is mentioned, although she has paid 200 rupees.
Yes,
my lord,
I have followed. I have followed it.
Yes, my lord.
Please
And
come.
for other application, there is no category mentioned. The option of the category is missing in other applications.
You will get another with this application form. If you go to the portal, you will get. All right, because in the other matters, I am saying so. Acha. Receipt showing payment of deficit court fees taken on record. Stop. The petitioners participated in the second SLST, 2025 for recruitment as assistant teachers under the reserved category by paying the application fees meant for reserved category candidate in SC/ST and PH. Stop. They are aggrieved as the commission changed their status from the reserved category to the general category. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the judgment delivered by this court on same Aage Somnath Pramanik. ঠিক আছে? Stop. Next. As the issue has been decided by the court in the matter of Somnath Pramanik, বলে আগেকার যে অর্ডারটা আছে সেইটাই দিয়ে দেবেন। ঠিক আছে? This is disposed. আগেরটা কিন্তু disposed নয়। এটা disposed.
No, identical order has.
Yes.
19, 11, 12.
Yeah. Both 19, 11.
My lord, they my lord, one more thing, they have applied for 9, 10 and 11, 12 for both the, my lord.
I have kept it blank, so it covers both.
Grateful, my lord.
Grateful.
38. এগুলো আর ডাকবেন না। 38.
This is that matter, my lord, where I alleged that some of the questions, my lord, are out. One of the question was out of the syllabus. Some of the questions, more than one answers are right, but only one was treated to be right. So, my lord, I raised
1
this
minute.
grievance.
There was a direction upon the commission to file an affidavit.
Affidavit, my lord, has not been filed. I have been
Report something. Oito. You have not got copy?
Yes. This copy, my lord, I have been given, my lord, yesterday. Yes.
Yes, you've gone
There is
through
no
it.
report. Yes, I've gone through it, madam.
Yes. What is the stand? Their stand was
They say,
closed.
not there has been, my lord, ex officio, my lord, inadvertent error by them. So, my lord, I say that more than my grievance was more than one question was more than one answer was right, but they relegated that particular questions for evaluation, whether the question was out of the syllabus or question was inside the syllabus, or the question was right or question was wrong. So, my lord, my grievance was not that. My grievance was specifically, I have stated in the supplementary affidavit, I have annexed that format where, my lord, I have applied, where specific, my problem was that more than one question was wrong. So, my lord, that was not
More than one question.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
More than one
More than answer.
would be correct.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. So, my lord, that was not the, my lord,
Considered.
issue in which, my lord, that was relegated to the experts. Rather, the issues that were, my lord, given for the expert to be considered, whether the question was out of the syllabus or not, which is, my lord, evident from the pages, my lord, which has been given to me, my lord, yesterday.
Yes. Which question? There is a chart over here in the report.
Yes, this it. No, again. My lord, here your lordship will see in the supplementary affidavit, I have, my lord, if I directly take your lordship, my lord, to page number 4 of the supplementary affidavit.
Copy of the supplementary.
That actually copy আছে.
Yes.
আমি দেখিনি দর্শকদের এরকম ভাবে এটা আমি লিখেছি এটা
Yes.
my lord, in page paragraph number 5, my lord, I said that my objection with respect to 8, 11, 41 are met. So I don't have any problem. So, my lord, the objection aforesaid with respect to 2, 20, 25, 27. 25 and 7, yes. So, my lord, they are not considered.
Now, from the chart, please.
Lordship sees.
Question number 2, how is it been dealt with?
My lord, the chart lordship is reading, my lord.
This is the document.
Oh, no, I don't have this one. Dada, এটা আমার কাছে নেই. I have been given with this.
No.
Yes. AJ.
Oh.
I was not given with this, my lord, ever.
Give a copy, how will he know?
I have been given with this, my lord. Yes, this one.
This.
No. Yes, this one. I have been.
Not this.
No, not this
Give
one.
a copy.
এই তো রিপোর্ট দিলাম
ও আজকে দিলে আচ্ছা ফাইন
ওর চার্টটা আছে দর্শক এটা বলছেন just go to the chart.
So, my lord, from the chart, if your lordship, which I have been given with this.
Check, please.
This one.
Question number 2, series A.
8 নম্বরটা দেখো question number
Which series?
Paragraph 8.
1 minute. Which series is this? Is it series
A? Series A.
All right. Petitioner suggested that the question is wrong or out of syllabus. This is not the suggestion, isn't it?
Expert committee reviewing it.
এটা আমার সাজেশন ছিল নাকি 2 নম্বর কোশ্চেন নিয়ে
Go through it and come back. Go through
no,
it.
this was not the suggestion.
Sure.
It is appearing at page number 6 of the
27,
supplementary
none of them
affidavit.
are, my lord, I alleged that was out of the syllabus.
No, there were other
from the
Kindly
other
see page
people had
number
also
6
raised
supplementary
preliminary
affidavit.
objections.
No,
Then the expert committee তোমার কোন তিনটে কোশ্চেন বলো তোমার কোন তিনটে কোশ্চেন
ওই তো সাপ্লিমেন্টারিতে লেখা আছে 4 questions
20, question 2, question 20,
25 and
yes
25 and 7.
they are absent over here.
5 and 7
25.
25 is also there. Question 20 is there. Question 2 is there. And question 7 is also there.
Yes,
25
but
says-
the
yes
challenge is something different.
yes
The petitioner suggested that the question is wrong, which is not correct.
Milord,
Question
kindly see page number 6 of the
Page
supplementary affidavit, Milord.
Yes.
Kindly see page number 6, Milord.
Yes.
Page number 6 of the supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
Milord, kindly takes the first objection. That is question number 2 of series A.
Yes, question is wrong or out of syllabus.
That is what is mentioned.
But that's not in the written, Milord.
transfer.
Then 6, that means question number 2 is all right.
No, my lord, transfer to 8 because I have made the objection. It is the one out of the syllabus. Then transfer to 8.
Page 8.
Page 8. That's the second one from top.
Question number 7.
My lord, question number.
He has objected same question twice in different manners.
Then my lord, the third one, question number 2.
How could you file 2 objections?
Yes, I can easily do that, my lord. I say that this is out of the syllabus. I say the answers are right, not right.
In respect of one question, you can file
Yes.
various objections.
Yes, which I could do. My lord. But that was not considered. Because that lordship may kindly recollect that this is that question where, my lord, the question of bandage, which bandage is required in the joint. So I tried to, my lord, satisfy your lordship from the established books, which says that spiral bandages can be done and cross bandage can also be done. So here they say only cross bandage can be done. So I said spiral and cross both could be done. So this is what, my lord, my submission before your lordship here. So, my lord, I just request your lordship to see, though I did not check it, my lord, entirely.
No, it is better, my lord, since we have handed it over to him, my lord, in course of today, my lord, certain documents, my lord, are sent to him, my lord, let him, my lord, come with a detailed, my lord, exception or whatever, my lord.
My lord, I will.
And if he thinks that the expert is also wrong, then
I
give
never
the cross reference. Then because the expert has concurred here, your lordship will find the remarks column.
It's not my case right now that the experts are wrong, because I see that my grievances are not even made, not even checked the way I wanted to. So when
I am taking this on record. You deal with it. Let me see.
Yes, only one prayer before your lordship, that since this interview process, not interview, my lord, the verification process are going on, panel will be published. I am, my lord, anyways meritorious. I am on the, my lord, I have obtained 50 out of 60 or something. So, my lord, I'll be getting more. But, my lord, let my candidature be, my lord, abide by with the result of this treatment, nothing else.
A report on behalf of the commission filed in court today, taken on record. Stop. Copy of the same has been handed over to the learned advocate for the petitioner in court. Court today. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to deal with the same by filing an exception within 31st of December 2025. List on 9th January 2026. The candidature of the petitioner shall abide by the result of the writ petition.
এখানে একটাই কোয়েশ্চেন আছে, এখানে একটাই কোয়েশ্চেন আছে, এক্সপ্রেস কম কি করেন কি হলো হয়ে গেল
39 same order, similar order.
My lord has directed, my lord, the candidature.
We gave him the annexures. We did not give him the copy. We have given him.
All right, same order. Go through it and find out what is their stand. Same order.
Item number 47 is same question, same subject, my lord. But Bengali, my lord. I have checked up with Mr. Bari's record. But this has not been heard, my lord. May I?
Then they are required to prepare a report. It has not been heard.
Same question.
Same question he's saying.
If same question, then the whatever order is passed in Mr. Bari's matter may abide by that.
Obliged.
We cannot even, if someone pops up like this, it is very difficult. Whenever orders are passed,
yes.
তোমাকে কপি দিলাম
40
কোথা
41
এটা কি কালকে দিয়েছো বলছে
39 similar 40
অনেক সাথে দিয়েছো
40
Item number 40, my lord, led by Mr. Supraprakash Lahiri, my lord. Yesterday I got report and I file a exception to the report, my lord. And similar matter was fixed on 22nd December, my lord.
My lord, this is regarding Sanskrit. Similar matter, lordship has fixed on 22nd December because in this matter I have challenged 2 questions. Those are also part of that writ petition. I can show tab dekhi. I can
It's all right. So I'll place it on 22nd.
22nd and
In the meantime, you can file an exception.
Yes.
This,
With Momota Maiti. Momota Maiti to.
filed by the commission in court. Today is taken on record. The petitioner intends to file an exception to the same. Released on 22nd December. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the report prior to the adjourned date.
They have taken 4 questions. I have
You
taken
take this back.
with this matter, my lord. WPA.
If this is on 22nd, this will also appear on 22nd.
Very
It's all
well,
right.
Because my lord, why I'm saying, my lord, they have taken 4 questions. I have taken 2 out, which are already there in those 4 questions.
All
That is why.
41 is the same.
Same means?
Same exception.
Where is the report?
Report the just give me 2 minutes.
আচ্ছা report filed by the commission is taken on record. হ্যাঁ আগেরটা মানে তারও আগেরটা হবে বোধহয় এই 39 ওরকম হবে কত নম্বর হ্যাঁ 38 ঠিক 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 ওটাই হবে
রিপোর্টে কোনটা হবে শাখা মাত্র সুব্রত চট্টোপাধ্যায় রিপোর্ট দেখে
হ্যাঁ
দিয়েছে
না পুরোটা দেখ
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ওনাকেও পুরোটা দেখতে
Is the report there?
Yes.
All right. You find it and then hand it over.
সুদীপ্ত পাল
42. Praying for not today, my lord. Not today. Not today? Yes, yes.
না এর নেক্সট এটা হইছে সেটা হয়ে যাবে
1 minute. 42 is not today. 43?
Well, 43 is regarding the question on model answer. Yesterday I received this document. This cannot be termed as a report. Only 4 pages.
I mean, they have a
No,
report.
they had given us just to me yesterday.
They'll give a report.
So I need a report.
They'll give a report.
Very well. My Kali keeps on 5th of January.
This is what?
This is Panigrahi. Shomodip Panigrahi.
সৌমদীপ Panigrahi.
I just received 4 annexures.
1 minute. They have a report.
We have a report.
Same order.
5th January, my lord.
You will be.
41
No, I have fixed another date.
আমাকে দাও
Date?
দিচ্ছি ভাই
9th of January it has
9th of January. Very well. No problem. My lord, my lord, only one humble prayer to abide by the result of the writ petition. Let that be. But in the previous matter also, this abide by the Choru 40.
Yes.
সৌমদীপ Panigrahi. I gave it সুব্রত I gave it.
My lord, may I hand over one supplementary affidavit in 43? Because one document was due to inadvertence was I had already served. Mr. Singh.
3 তে একটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি এফিডেভিট ফাইল হচ্ছে এটা রেকর্ডে রেখে দিন তো
One page I missed out. 43.
check up whether supplementary has been served.
Yes, Mr. Singh, with Mr. Singh. Mr. Singh, kindly
Joy
acknowledge-
Mandal, if it is Joy Mandal supplementary affidavit, I have received it.
একটা দিয়েছি, দিয়ে দেবো। 43 তে 43
Copy will be given.
Yes, I'll give. আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি স্যার আপনাকে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
Give a copy.
আমি দিয়ে
Call the
দিচ্ছি।
passover matter, please.
একটু বেশি
কপিদের রিপোর্টটা
হ্যাঁ দিচ্ছি।
সবগুলো রিপোর্ট এলো কি? In all the matters been filed?
Yes. All the matters may not one. All the matters may not. দে ওটা সৌমদীপ Panigrahi
ওনাকে দিয়ে দিন এটা।
এই যে সৌমদীপ Panigrahi কোথায় গেল?
But all the because from my chamber, the hard copies.
No, doesn't matter. You give me this.
Yes, I just from এটা কোনটা দিলে আগে I just cited. One is 2018 6 SSC 618 State of Meghalaya and others versus Fikirba Kharia and others
18/6 SCC page
618
618.
yes my lord. May I read it? It's a very short my lord. May I read it my lord? Para 4. We are of the view that for the purity of the selection to the public post, it is desirable that as far as possible, the selection process conducted by the selection bodies, especially the State Public Service Commission and the state selection boards, is videographed. It is desirable that at examination center as well as interview center, CCTV cameras are installed to the extent viable. Footage thereof may be seen by an independent committee of 3 members, and report of such committee may be placed on the website concerned. 5. Para 5. The registry is directed to send a copy of this order to the Department of Personnel and Training, DOPT, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension, for being forwarded to the authorities concerned for the compliance. 6. The special leave petition are accordingly disposed of. Pending application, if any, shall be also stand disposed of. The permission to file the special leave petition is granted. Grievance of the petitioner is that they were not heard by the High Court. If it is so, they are at all debated to move the High Court within the 2 weeks. That is the now finally take 1981, another judgment, Malad. Is a Supreme Court consistent views. 1981, 1 SSC 722. At that point of time, there was no such videograph. So, my lord, what was the Supreme Court views on that period? So, my lord, first I place para 19, because in this selection process, what they did, my lord, why I asked for that? Oh, sorry.
Yes.
In this selection process, what is the number division? After preparation, there is a 60 marks for written examination, 10 marks is allocated for experience, 70. Then other interview 10, lecture demo 10. In the disguise of lecture demo, actually it is interview. Even more than 15%, and that grounds is also one of the grounds for setting aside the rule. In Lupana as well as Mosumi, in every matter, I took that ground, my lord. In Ajoy Hasia matter, Supreme Court long back, my lord, in the year 1981, my lord, it is a para 19, last 4 line. Last 4 line, and it is, my lord, it is upheld till date, it is unaltered. We are of the view that under the existing circumstances, allocation of more than 15% of the total marks for the oral interview would be arbitrary and unreasonable, and would be liable to be struck down as constitutionally invalid. Now, para 20, my lord. The petitioner arguing under the grounds of challenge argued that the oral interview as conducted in the present case was a mere pretense or farce, as it did not last for more than 2 or 3 minutes per candidate on an average. The question which were asked were formal questions relating to percentage and residence of the candidate, and hardly any question was asked which has relevance to assessment of the suitability of the candidate with reference to any of the 4 factors required to be considered by the committee, when the time spent on each candidate was not more than 2 or 3 minutes on an average. Contended the petitioner, how could the suitability of the candidate be assessed on a consideration of the relevant factor by holding such an interview, and how could the committee possibly judge the merit of the candidate with reference to this factor when no question bearing on this factor were asked to the candidate? Now there can be no doubt that if the interview did not take more than 2 or 3 minutes on an average, and the question asked had no bearing on the factor required to be taken into account, the oral interview test would be vitiated. Yes. Because it would be impossible in such an interview to assess the merit of the candidate with reference to this factor. This allegation of the petitioner has been denied. The affidavit is implied by SSC on the behalf of the college, and it has been stated that each candidate was interviewed for 6 to 8 minutes, and only the relevant question on the aforesaid subject were asked. If this statement of H.M. Choudhury is correct, it cannot find much fault with the oral interview test held by the committee. But we do not think it can act on the statement of made by H.M. Choudhury, because there is nothing to show that he was present at the interview, and none of the 3 committee members has come forward to make an evidence denying the allegation of the petitioner, stating that each candidate was interviewed for 6 to 8 minutes, and only the relevant question were asked. We must therefore proceed on the basis that the interview of each candidate did not last for more than 2 or 3 minutes on an average, and hardly any question was asked bearing on the relevant factor. It has to be so. The oral interview test must be held to be vitiated, and the selection made on the basis of the test must be held to be arbitrary. We are, however, not inclined for reasons already given to set aside the selection made for the academic year 1979 to 80. So we may caution the state government and the society that for the future academic year, selection may be made on the basis of observation made by us in the judgment which they might run on the risk of the being struck down. We may point out that, in our opinion, if the marks allocated for the oral interview do not exceed 15% of the total marks and the candidates are properly interviewed, the relevant questions are asked with the view of the assessing their suitability with the reference to the factor required to be taken into consideration. The oral interview test would satisfy the criteria reasonableness and non-adherence. The last line that is most important. We think that it would also be desirable if the interview of the candidate is tape recorded, right? Because at that point of time, tape recorder was the only recording process. For in that event, there will be no contemporaneous evidence to show what the question asked to the candidate or the interviewing committee and what was the answer given to that will eliminate a lot of unnecessary controversies by acting as a change on the possible arbitrariness of the interviewing commitment. So that is in the year 1981. Now, in the year 2018, Supreme Court says every state body, every conducting authority, gets a videograph. In absence of that, I filed a writ petition before this court, and the West Bengal Board of Primary Education on the first day when I moved that matter, they said no, yes, we accept it. By showing this Ajay Russia and 2018, they accept it and they give a notice in this regard, that is on yes. First paragraph. Other authorities did require. It is regarding West Bengal Board of Primary Education. It is thereby notified to all concerned that the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, being examining and recommending body of the recruitment of primary teacher in West Bengal, is going to conduct first phase interview, and aptitude test interview. That is direct supervision and monitoring for the candidate who opted for all districts as per list for enclosed on Monday, certain in terms of Rule 83. Certain first interview and aptitude test shall be an independent exercise. The exercise is necessitated since first interview and aptitude test. For the 2022 recruitment process will also be tried process having regard to the number of interview and aptitude test. So, my lord, my respectful submission Supreme Court since 1981 persisted view that tape recorded videograph in pursuance of that matter in our state also. Some examining body, they videograph. But here, my lord, SSC, my lord, consciously know it, and in this selection process, or what is this selection process? It is a continuation of 2016 selection process. In 2016, there was only 10% interview marks. Now they enhance it without videograph. The intention is very clear. Intention is very clear. From that manner, in this selection process, first they tried to accommodate all 10 candidates. Thereafter, they failed to do so in pursuance of court order. Thereafter, they tried to accommodate the physically handicapped candidate. Thereafter, they tried to accommodate the expiry panel candidate, manipulated candidate. Till they are in the list manner and they are not videographic. The intention is very clear. They consciously do it.
$60 marks is for written examination, 10 is for the prior teaching experience,
10 is academic,
10 is academic, 10 is oral, and 10 is the lecture demonstration.
Oral interview 10%, lecture demo 10, 20 months, and prior teaching experience 10. And in the disguise of lecture demo, actually this is an interview. Yes. There is arbitrariness without videograph. So 20% is a complete arbitrary. whatever they want to do.
Milord, may I?
Milord, the state response first. State wants.
Yes. Milord, two things I needed to point out, Milord. But as far as Ajay Hasia is concerned, Milord, the judgment proceeds on the basis it was the only test. It was not supplementary to anything else. Here, in the rules, Milord, these 10, 10, 10 marks are supplementary to a written test and then academic score, then prior teaching experience, which are all according, it cannot be, it's not upon the discretion on anyone else. But if your logic kindly takes paragraph 18 of Ajay Hasia. So,
1 minute. In the primary education, is the interview only a thing to be done, or the written is also there? Written is also.
written is there.
There is HS.
That means academic scores are taken away.
As well as the
State is there.
And thereafter,
Interview is there.
And
And
of all.
even then, the primary education board has gone to the extent of taking the interview process in a videographic mode.
Yes.
In that case, what is the difficulty? What is the problem if you do it in the same manner?
First of all, Milord, in the writ petition.
Age. But no pleading.
Apart from a general apprehension,
No, forget the apprehension. Assuming that the apprehension is not there, the primary education board has done it possibly suo moto. There was no direction from the court to conduct this interview process under videography, because the notification, the notice that has been produced does not mention of any case number. So it is suo moto done. 2nd of June 2025. Same state authority. Why can the similar process not be adopted by the commission?
I cannot offhand just now, Milord, answer your lordship, Milord. First of all, there has to be, Milord, one aspect of the problem is, Milord.
No problem, just to maintain transparency. And
there is the apprehension that it will not be transparent. That is my first question.
Listen, please do not.
Respect, Milord.
Please do not. 2016 recruitment got cancelled in 2024, affirmed in 25. Please do not do anything which will make the entire selection vulnerable.
Milord, this falling from your lordship presupposes, Milord, that there is some view somewhere that there might be something wrong. Milord, first of all,
you see the number of petitions coming.
Milord, number of petitions coming on. This is the first petition.
Not decided finally, Milord.
It is not the issue.
Milord,
it
if
is
a
only
question
the
is falling from your lordship, then, Milord, I would have to answer your lordship by way of an affidavit.
Please come.
Or otherwise, but Milord, offhand I cannot see why it is not being resorted to. And Milord, one thing your lordship may, that is, of course, Milord, on instructions, oral instructions as communicated, Milord, that for conducting this large scale interview for 9, 10, 11, 12 in any event, Milord, it is infrastructurally not possible for the commission as on date. Now, if the time limit is extended or the infrastructure is available,
updated. That is different. But then the primary education, the similar number of candidates are also higher.
Primary education is not governed by, we are not, we have no say.
I understand, but it's a state instrumentality.
We can apprise the commission as to what is our learned senior in this matter. We'll take a call. But kindly, do not pin us down that we have to do it today.
এটা না পার্ট অর্ডার ডিক্টেট করা হয়ে গিয়েছিল। This is item number 22. পার্ট অর্ডার ডিক্টেট করা হয়ে গিয়েছিল, ঠিক আছে। পরেরটা লিখুন যে the প্রদীপ Punay, the petitioner as petitioners হবে prayed for a direction upon the authority to conduct in-camera interview in the selection process. Stop. In support of such submission, reliance has been placed on the judgment delivered by the
পারো না হিয়ারিং ছাড়া সাসপেন্ড করা যায় নাকি এগুলো
5-judge bench of the Honorable
কিন্তু নেই
Supreme Court
তুমি
in the matter of Ajay Hasia and others versus নামটা লিখে নেবেন 1981 1 SCC 722. Paragraph 19. Reliance has also been placed on the judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court
Not 141.
in the matter of state of Meghalaya and another versus naam likhben reported in 2018 6 SCC 618. Paragraph 4. The Supreme Court has directed that it is desirable that the state select boards and bodies conducting the public selection process conducts the interview under CCTV cameras so that the footage thereof may be seen by an independent committee and the report of such committee may be placed on the website concerned. Stop. Next. Learned advocate for the petitioner has brought to the notice of the court, has drawn the attention of the court to the notice for interview / vivavocy and aptitude test published by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education dated 2nd June 2025, mentioning that the interview / vivavocy and aptitude test will be videographed. Stop. For the purpose of maintaining absolute fairness and transparency in the process of interview and lecture demonstration, consisting of 20 marks, the West Bengal Central School Service Commission may take a decision in line with the decision adopted by the Board of Primary Education to rule out any controversy, making the recruitment process vulnerable. Stuff. Next. The hearing of this matter stands adjourned till 9th January 2026. Stop. It will be open for the respondents to file affidavit. Affidavit by
which petition we will
January 2026.
next যেখানে মামলা হচ্ছে
আচ্ছা
কোনটা
interview and the lecture demonstration of the petitioner. Acha, this is item 20. In which matter was the other order passed? 21 এতে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ অ্যাড আপ করা আছে যেখানে পিটিশনারকে পারমিশন দেওয়া হচ্ছে
প্রোডাকশনের মামলা হবে
21 এতে এই প্যারাগ্রাফটা থাকবে।
এবার 300 খানা মামলা হবে সিসিটিভি ফুটেজের জন্য
সুদীপ্তকে সেক্রেটারি করে দেবো সেখানেও কম্পিটিশন
ওরা তো অন্য লবি সুদীপ্ত আর ফিরোজ খান অন্য লবি
Well, yes, Malad. This is my matter. But the correction with regard to Malad,
date correction.
date same, but the year is
Now, for the next 2 weeks, perhaps your lordship will be in a easier situation.
You are not aware of the pressure.
Really?
Not aware.
But that is because all terminations come.
That apart, then the whole thing comes together, isn't it? Two. Here. 17-11 ঠিক হবে হয়ে গেল তাহলে আর কিছু ফুল রইলো না তো মজুমদার দেখি 47টা একটু দেখি Mr. Singh, Purnima Mazumdar, item number 47.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is being claimed as of Somnath Pramanik. Check up, please.
Please, I'm checking the.
It's the same thing.
Yes.
The prayers are the identical.
Yes, so same order can be passed.
Yes.
Somnath Pramanik, please come. The petitioner claims to be member of a reserved category. Stuff she participated in the 2025 recruitment process initiated by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stuff. Allegation is that the commission treated the candidature of the petitioner as general, despite the petitioner disclosing her reserved category and payment of fees meant for the reserved category. The issue in question has been decided by the court in Somnath Pramanik. Same order will follow. এর আগে দিয়েছি কতগুলো? ঠিক আছে? Disposed of.
My referred service.
Yes, service is taken off.
Thank you.